and now I'm super hungry.
Hey yo,
I think it's the third time I'm watching it.
hey yo.
It's morning 9 o'clock and I'm getting ready to leave for the BYD event. Yeah, let's go.
The board consecutively years on the this center maintain.
And that's why 3.5 years we actually be cars here.
I just got back from the event. It was a nice event. I think this was my first kind of event I attended as a creator. The BYD event. They launched two versions in the Seal 6DMI series, and the launch party was really good. And now I'm super hungry, so I thought I'll just whip together some aglio olio. I think the quantity turned out to be okay. Chili flakes. Nice. I'm currently watching Heaven's Official Blessing. I think it's the third time I'm watching it. I like the animation, I like the story, and I even like the song.
你做不出来一件非要梦，以后I do want more。
李队长，有什么事我会先上的。
Coming back, I also picked up my new sunglasses. I waited for almost more than a month to get these. I think they were saying that it was custom, and then they had to get the glasses, they had to get the frame because it was not actually in the stock when I went to give its order, and that's the reason that it was so late. So I think they also gave a small cleaning spray for the glasses, and these are the glasses. I think they look really nice. The ones I had before this were exactly the same. The only difference was they had like a golden rim, but this time I ordered one with a black rim, and I actually lost them in Paris. Like they fell out, or I don't know where they fell when I was getting out of metro. So I ordered these new ones, and they're finally here. They also gave me the other glasses that the sunglasses actually came with. These ones. These ones. The original glasses that were with the frame, they were not polarized, and I also have a slight number in my eyes. So that's the reason that I had to make it custom, and then it took a lot of time.